Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Exec Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to make a comparison between FlutterWave and PAYSTACK, and I'm going to show you guys which one is the best as far as settlement is concerned. Okay, what do I mean by settlement is a situation whereby you receive payment from foreign clients. Maybe you are selling digital products, or you are a freelancer, or you are doing online business, and you receive your payment either through FlutterWave or through PAYSTACK. Which of the best option is good for you guys, most especially when it comes to issue of settlement? So, but before I get the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about online payment gateway, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. So without wasting much of our time, so let's dive into the tutorial and see similarity that these two platforms share in common. Okay, but one thing I would like to clarify right here is that the two platforms are 100% legit. They are very much genuine. I have used the two platforms right here on my screen right here. This is my FlutterWave dashboard, and this is my PAYSTACK dashboard. You can see my business name right here, Exec Graphics and Multimedia. So you can see my business name right here, Exec Graphics and Multimedia for FlutterWave also. But one good thing about this thing, these two platforms, is that I'm going to show you in this video. For instance, if you are using FlutterWave to receive payment, for FlutterWave, you can receive different country payments in Africa. So let me quickly show you guys the kind of currency you can receive through FlutterWave. Okay. So right here for FlutterWave, you can see you can receive Naira, you can receive Ghana cedis, you can receive USD, and you can receive Kenya Sile, you can receive money from Zambia. Okay. So you can receive money from South Africa, Uganda, and Cameroon, and Tanzania. I think these are the countries that FlutterWave offer as far as foreign payment is concerned. But one thing about FlutterWave is that each time you receive payment from this type of country, whether you receive USD or you receive Ghana cedis or you receive Kenya Sile, one thing about this platform is that they don't pay you based on the currency you receive. That is for the settlement. So I will take you around and see and show you guys. So like I explained to you guys earlier, I have received funds through this platform for a very long, for about 4 to 5 years ago. So right here, if I go to my balance right here, you see I have received Ghana cedis, I have received Kenya Sile and Zambia currency, etc., even in USD. But one thing is that each time this platform wants to settle you, they settle you based on your country currency, which is official rate. And things like this is not really advisable for Nigerian. Well, if you are a Nigerian and you use FlutterWave as your payment gateway, if you are receiving USD, it is advisable for you guys to look for another payment platform that you can use to receive your USD payment. Because if you use FlutterWave, definitely they are going to do the calculation of settlement in Naira. In official rates. So right here you can see my my balance right here for Kenya, and scroll down, you can see I have received fund from Ghana also. This is Ghana and Zambia and Cameroon, etc. So one more thing about FlutterWave is that each time you want to process your transfer, okay, let's say you want to transfer from your FlutterWave dashboard, you want to transfer to your Naira account. So FlutterWave only supports Naira accounts. I don't know why they don't support USD accounts. Let's say, for instance, if you receive USD maybe from America or from any European country, you receive USD. Instead of FlutterWave to give you exactly USD, they are going to calculate your transaction in Naira, which is quite different from what PAYSTACK are doing. This is the more reason why I like to receive my USD payment with PAYSTACK. But when it comes to issue of receiving payments like Zambia, Uganda, all those countries that has to do with mobile money transfer, I prefer to make use of FlutterWave. So right here you can see, so these are my previous transfer to my Naira account. So these are the transaction successful, the 46 transfer successful. So these are the different currency that you can receive through FlutterWave. Okay, I'm not saying that FlutterWave is not good. Please and please try to understand what I'm trying to pass across right here, because I'm still using them. They are very much okay and they are very much reliable. But when it comes to issue of receiving USD payment, it is advisable that you consider another platform to receive your payment. So this is what I have for you guys as far as FlutterWave is concerned. So let's take a look at the second platform, which is PAYSTACK. One thing, a great thing about PAYSTACK that I will likely recommend for you guys if you are receiving USD payment is the fact that PAYSTACK supports, for international transaction, they support the USD payment. Okay, and one good thing about PAYSTACK is that immediately you receive your payments in USD, it takes about 2 weeks or less to get your fund in your straight to the bank account. But one challenges about PAYSTACK is that you must submit your USD bank account. Like for instance, I have received some USD funds in the past with through the PAYSTACK. So right here you can see these are the transaction I was able to receive through PAYSTACK, and all this transaction has been credited to my bank accounts. You can see the reference, and the means of payment is card. Some of the transactions right here are from Africa, some are from European, and some are from Asian country. One good thing about PAYSTACK is that whatever currency you are bringing into PAYSTACK, if you have their international payment gateway activated on your dashboard, it will automatically convert to USD. Even if you are using your Naira card to make the payment, it will automatically convert to USD. That's one great thing about PAYSTACK. Then another thing about PAYSTACK is that you are getting your fund in USD, not in Naira. Okay, but one problem here is that you must have a domiciliary account, most especially if you are a Nigerian. And a very good thing about PAYSTACK is that they were able to help me out to create a USD account through the assistant of through Senate Bank with the assistant of PAYSTACK. What I did was that when I received my first payment on this platform, it was my first payment was about some USD like that. When I received the payment, so I submitted my Naira accounts to transfer the fund, but PAYSTACK rejected the account. I was told I had to submit my USD account, okay, which is known as domiciliary account for Nigerians. Okay, so more especially if you are Nigerian, so you will be forced to open a USD account, and not this platform right here, this PAYSTACK right here. They did not support all Nigerian banks domiciliary account. They have the bank they work with. They only work as at the time I'm making this video, they only work with Senate Bank and GT Bank. So when it comes to issue of getting my fund, I have to make them that why do they reject my bank account? They ask me to submit my domiciliary account. Then I have UBA bank account, which is domiciliary account. I submitted it, they still reject it. So what they now told me that they are going to give me options that the bank they work with, which is GT Bank and Zenith Bank. Immediately I was given the option, and I told them I choose Zenith Bank. Then they forward me the documentation for account opening, references, and all that. Then I open the account free of charge. So you don't pay anybody when you open a domiciliary account. So you can visit either Zenith Bank or GT Bank to make more inquiry about USD, domiciliary account. So immediately when I got my Zenith Bank account, which is USD, then I submit it on my on my profile right here, which is settlement account. So which is my settlement account. So when I submit it at my settlement account, the money credited to my account exactly the amount which is right here, and they only charge me some token fee as a transaction fee. But the very good thing about this process is that I got my money in USD. And what I did was that immediately I got my money in USD, I visit Senate Bank and I feed the teller I withdraw my cash in USD. Then take it to Aboki. We all know that especially if you are Nigerian, take the money to Aboki and change the money to Naira, begin to spend the money. And these are the great things about PayStack over the FlutterWave. Though for FlutterWave, if you can receive USD, you can receive any type of currency. But the great thing is that they are going to give you official rate in terms of payment settlement. But you will not go through the stress of open a USD account, go to Senate Bank or go to GT Bank. So whichever way, as far as I'm concerned, if I'm receiving USD payments online and choosing PayStack, if I'm receiving some other country, like Ghana and Zambia, Tanzania, etc., that has to do with mobile money, I will still consider to use FlutterWave. Nevertheless, for PayStack, you can use any types of you can receive money from any part of the world, likewise from FlutterWave. So I hope you guys find value for this clarification, and I'm trying as much as possible to expose you guys to a lot of opportunity for you guys to save some money when you are receiving payments in terms of exchange rates when you are receiving payment online. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. Share this video to your loved one that do online training, online business. Thank you guys for watching this video from beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.